in the where you are referring the contents and all, and how you are studying.
So sometimes the sessions, well, in the morning the sessions, and for the programming, I'm referring the hacker ranks problem statement. I'm revising the old problem statements which I have done already from the starting.
Okay. Okay, so all of you participate actively. Today, I'm going to discuss about some previous year. I have selected 4 to 5 questions from the TCS NQT, and also some of the words from the Hindu newspaper. Synonyms and antonyms we will discuss today. Okay, I hope screen is visible. Yes, the screen is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
And for TCS NQT, let me know how many questions you will get from this verbal section. Anyone? Just unmute it because the screen is in full screen mode. So can anyone unmute and just it is interaction session, this verbal session. Yes. Can anyone tell what is the like the number of questions? How many questions you will get in the verbal section? Anyone? Try to unmute and you can just inform me. Yes. कितने कितने क्वेश्चंस है वो कितने क्वेश्चंस आते हैं वर्बल सेक्शन से? See, this is not your technical class, huh? This is like for verbal and it should be interactive. Yes, let me know. Anyone? Yes, Meet.
Sir, I'm not very sure about that.
Okay. So there are 24 questions are there. Okay. In TCS verbal section, that is we can call it as English. So there are 24 questions and the time limit is 30 minute. Okay, so the time limit is 30 minute, and there are various important topics are there. I think you people already know the about the means you can get the questions based upon these topics. Spelling, to identify the correct word, grammar, select the correct word, error correction, passage ordering, error identification, sentence completion, synonyms and antonyms, and reading compression. So these are the main important topic, and based upon that you will get the questions. And also these are the some like the difficulty and importance, where how you get the 24 questions as per the topic wise. Okay, so here the synonyms and antonyms you can get 3 to 4 questions, and it is very important, and likewise the other topics also. Okay, so means you'll get at least 1 or 2 questions from each different topics. So now, can anyone tell the what is the antonym of this OPCS word? Yes, anyone? Is it visible? Yes, say anyone. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Can anyone tell what is the antonym of OPCS? Try to unmute, because I cannot see the chart. OPCS. Yes, anyone? Yes, Meet.
Sir, I'm not sure. I think it's unofficial.
Officious, and the antonym unofficial. Yes, anyone other? Sarthak.
Sir, unofficial.
So try to check the meaning in the Google. Officious का meaning क्या है? Yes, anyone others? There are 20, 30 people are there. Arey, you people are try to participate. Like, otherwise try to find the answer. Yes, Prathamesh Puranik. Officious का meaning क्या है? Yes, Divya Sinde. क्या आंसर क्या है? Officious. The find the antonym of the given word officious. Officious का meaning क्या है? Anyone found the meaning of officious? See, officious means intrinsically enthusiastic in offering help or advice. Okay, the one who person, the people who are very officious. Okay, enthusiastic in offering the help, जो मदद करना चाहता है, enthusiastic in offering the help or advice. So as per this, the options, the correct option is indifferent. Indifferent means showing no concern in attitude or action, or indifferent. Okay, showing no concern in the attitude or action. कैसे हमको ये यही लगता है अनऑफिशियल, वंस वी सी द ऑफिशियस नो, ऑफिशियल ऐसे हमारे दिमाग में आता है ऑफिशियल और उसका ऑपोजिट अनऑफिशियल. ओके, सो ऑफिशियस पीपल, the security people were very officious means the one who like offer the help or advice. Try to go with this simple restraint. Restraint का synonym क्या है? Yes, restraint. Anyone? Try to unmute. I cannot see the chart. Restraint. Yes, anyone? Restraint. Yes, Divya Sinde. Roll number 68. Divya Sinde, Sweta Sawant. Restraint का meaning.
Yes, sir. It means that stopping something from doing.
Okay, okay, stopping something. Okay, then what is the correct word for this?
Sir,
Out of,
restriction.
yes, it's a restriction. Okay, restriction, correct. So restraint means to prevent from doing. A measure or a condition that keeps someone or something under control. Okay, so restraint, restrictions, restraint, restrictions. Okay, उसका opposite means like opposite of control over one's action or emotions. Disinhibition, disincontinence, unconstraint. Okay, antonyms. Restraint means restriction. Yes, for this sanctimonious, Select the most appropriate antonym of the given word. Sanctimonious. Sanctimonious. Yes, Prathamesh. Sanctimonious. उसका मीनिंग क्या है पहला वो फाइंड आउट करो. Sanctimonious. अनिकेत बेडरकर. Sanctimonious. I can just paste in the chat. Sanctimonious. मीनिंग क्या है? Yes, Aniket Bedurkar. Arey, this is not a technical class. Huh? See, you people are preparing for your placement. At least if you don't know means you should not sit idle. Try to search it. Try to search it and tell the answer. At least हिंदी में उसका मीनिंग क्या है बताओ मराठी में. कैसा है चुप बैठने से कुछ होता नहीं ना. See, in oral and all, you people immediately will find the answer by searching in the Google, and now it is for your purpose. Sanctimonious, उसका मीनिंग क्या है पता करो. Sanctimonious का गूगल में क्या है मीनिंग. And here we need to find the antonym of the given word. Sanctimonious. Yes.
Sanctimonious means show how we are better than other.
Okay, how we are superior than the other. Okay. तो इसमें कौन सा ऑप्शन बैठता है उसके लिए. Antonym of given word. Devote, impecious, empirical, maudlin.
Empirical, sir.
Empirical. We'll see the correct answer. So actually the sanctimonious, the mean making a hypocritical show of religion devotion. Okay. Or the making like morally superior to the other people. Uska actually the meaning of that sanctimonious. And the other words they are given like devote. Devote means having or showing the deep religious feeling or commitment. Devote means having a deep religious feeling or commitment. Impecious means showing a lack of respect for God or religion. Impecious means a lack of respect for the God or religion. Sanctimonious का meaning क्या है? Means making a hypocritical show of religious devotion. Impecious क्या है? Lack of respect. Devote means the deep religious feeling. Empirical means based on the concern with or verified by observation or experience rather than theory or pure logic. Empirical means it is concerned with some verifiable by observation or experience. And maudlin means self-pity or tearfully sentimental. Okay, so the sanctimonious, morally superior to the other people like God or the one who believes the religious devotion. तो उसका opposite आता है impecious, showing the lack of respect for God or religion. Then next, select the most appropriate synonym of the word ranked. RANT, ranked. Anyone? The most appropriate synonym of the given word. These are the questions that asked in the last year TCS NQT. Just try to find out the answer. The synonym of the given word, rant, R-A-N-T, preach. Okay, speak or shout at length in an angry, impassioned way. Okay, so the rant is best characterized by the preach noisily. Okay, the one once we speak in angry or shout in angry. Okay, so the correct the word is preach noisily. To preach noisily. Rant means to preach noisily. Okay. So one more word. Find the opposite meaning of the word farcical. Farcical. What is the opposite of farcical? Opposite of farcical. Try to find out what is the opposite of the farcical word. The word which conveys opposite meaning of the word farcical. पहला farcical क्या है वो find out करो, and you need to find out a word that conveys the opposite of the word farcical. Yes, anyone? Farcical का meaning क्या है? Yes, anyone? Find out किया क्या farcical का meaning? Yes, Sweta Sawant.
Yes, sir. It is ridiculous.
Ridiculous. Okay. So which is the correct word that conveys opposite meaning of the like ridiculous
When
or farcical?
it's serious.
Serious. Okay.
Yes.
Anyone others?
Analytical.
Analytical. It is opposite to the farcical. Or
Serious,
Sir,
sir.
yes, sir. Serious.
serious. See, the farcical means relating to or resembling because of absurd or ridiculous aspects. Okay, the correct answer is absurd. Absurd. Farcical means it is relating to or resembling the farce. It is especially because of absurd or ridiculous aspect. Absurd means irrelevant. So here the farcical, ridiculous, preposterous, absurd. Is it a synonym or antonym?
Sir, antonym was there, no, sir?
No, yes, it is a antonym. Absurd means irrelevant. So what is the correct answer here?
Sir, serious should be there, no?
Serious. Serious is opposite to the meaning of the word farcical. No, you check it out. You check it out the correct answer. As I found, the correct answer is absurd. Okay, so you try to note down this question, you people. Farcical. Farcical means we need to find out the word which convey the opposite meaning of the word farcical. इसमें कौन सा तो एक वर्ड है उसका opposite meaning farcical है. Try to think about that. Okay, we will discuss in the next week. Farcical was the one word which it gives the opposite meaning of the farcical. as per the whatever I found in the Google, it is showing absurd, but you try to find out. Okay, I'm also like not confident about the particular option. Okay, you try to go through that farcical word meaning. I think I already mentioned in the chart. Farcical ka. So there are some words are there, we will get confused because it requires a lot of practice. So that's why you people, what you have to do is, see, daily, that's why I found one solution. Like every day in the newspaper, like you need to go through one article. Okay, in the article, you need to mark some of the words that are like difficult. Okay, for example, here I took one of the passage from the 24th June. So here, I think is my screen visible? This passage, yes. The Hindu editorial, the one of the article on politics. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just go through this one. I will read and you try to like note down what these underlined what are the words are there, no? You try to note down and find the meaning. Okay. So talk of any political realignment. Okay. Any political realignment is unseasonal, considering the fact that the next general election is due only in 2024 and the BJP is entrenched in the government. So please note down some of these highlighted words so that we will discuss the meaning. So you just note down and any at least 2-3 words also. Okay, there are 10-15 words I have marked here. So a gathering of political leaders, activists and scholars convened by Trinamool Congress leader Yashwant Sinha on Tuesday, however, was preceded by a lot of speculation about the emergence of third front opposed to the BJP and sidelining the Congress. The Rashtramancha is not intended to be the third front according to its organizer, but that does not mean end of the exploratory. That does not mean end of the exploratory politics ahead of 2024. In fact, most parties have reason to think and act towards a new alternative to the BJP. For one, serial governance failure and missteps have made the current movement the most vulnerable for the BJP since 2014. The Congress challenged the BJP at an ideational level, but the electoral victories over it in recent months were by regional parties such as the TMC, the DMK, and the left. While Rahul Gandhi has principled position against the BJP, his vacillating role within the party and the reluctance to play the power politics makes the Congress an uninspiring leader for other anti-BJP parties. The role being played by the National Congress Party NCP chief Sharad Pawar makes the current attempt for a new platform vigorous. Okay, vigorous. He has the dexterity, heft, and the network to lead it. That said, there is not an easy path for this nascent platform, assuming that it has ambitions beyond being a debating society. At 80, age is not on Mr. Pawar's side. Without an active role for the Congress, no political formation can be viable against the BJP. that role and the terms of engagement between the Congress and the other smaller parties remain open question. So here there are some words like the Mr. Pawar himself is conscious of the pitfalls. Pitfalls. Several of these parties are adversaries of one another in the state. So all non-BJP parties. So try to note down these words. So we'll discuss the meaning of that. So the TRS, YSRCP, BJD in power in Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha respectively have a guarded approach towards national politics. So all these factors makes the emergency of robust opposition to the BJP onerous. BJP onerous. Politics is often shaped by circumstances. The BJP's unchallenged power in the last 7 years has built a tension that need to be resolved through democratic process. Recent assembly election outcomes were a reminder that parties staunchly opposed to the BJP remain popular in states. Harnessing a national politics from such disparate trends is a challenge before the opponents of BJP. So this is about all the about the politics that the plan for the 2024. Okay. So can anyone tell about the words that are highlighted? Like for example, talk on any political realignment. So what is this realignment? Yes, realignment का meaning क्या है?
Action of changing or restoring something.
Action of
Changing or yes, sir.
yeah, changing means reorganization. Talk of any political reorganization or some change, redesign, redevelopment. Okay, a rearrangement. Okay, so realignment means it is about the new arrangement or organization. Realignment. Okay, and what about this? And the BJP is entrenched. Entrenched means entrenched का meaning क्या है?
Firmly established.
Entrenched. So and the BJP is established something. Okay, and the BJP is established in the government. Okay, entrenched means established. Okay, established in the government. And what about the speculation? Speculation means Anuman. Anuman means there has been a widespread speculation that he plans to quit. Anuman, doubt. However, was preceded by a lot of speculation about the emergence of third front opposed to BJP and sidelining the Congress. So speculation means like it is like some like anuman or doubt. Okay, the forming of a theory or conjecture without firm evidence. Okay, so like the company moves into the property speculation. So some doubt. Okay, anuman, speculation. So the Rashtra Mancha is not intended to be third front according to its organizers, but that does not mean end of the exploratory. What is exploratory? I think you know this one. Exploratory. क्या है? Exploratory का meaning क्या है? As you always do this one. Yes, Abhishek. Exploratory politics. Yes.
Involving the exploration or investigation, just like that, sir.
Yes, exploration, investigation, or like to learn about something. Okay, explore new things. Okay, exploratory politics. It is not an end of the exploratory politics. While the Rahul Gandhi has principled position against the BJP, his vacillating role. Vacillating role means while Rahul Gandhi has principled position against the BJP, his vacillating role within the party, yes, and a reluctance to play the power. Vacillating means क्या है? दुविधा में पड़ा हुआ. Vacillating means दुविधा में पड़ा हुआ आदमी. Vacillating role, like uncertain in purpose. Okay. Vacillating means uncertain in purpose or action. Vacillating role within the party, and reluctance. Reluctance means not showing the interest. Reluctance to play the power politics makes the Congress an uninspiring leader for other anti-BJP parties. And he has a dexterity. What is dexterity? The NCP chief Sharad Pawar makes the current attempt for a new platform vigorous. He has dexterity, means he has some like skills, nipunata. He used some skills, okay, by seeing the current platform. Dexterity means the ability to use the hands skillfully in doing something. Nipunata. Dexterity means ability to use the hands skillfully in doing something. Okay, कुछ निपुणता दिखाना. Dexterity, heft, the influence or ability or importance that someone has. Okay, the power, influence. Okay, Sharad Pawar makes the current attempt for a new platform vigorous. He has a dexterity. Okay, some skills, nipunata, and the power. Heft means the influence, ability, or importance that someone has. Dexterity, heft. That said, there is not an easy path for his nascent platform. Nascent means in the earliest stage of development. Nascent platform is in the earliest stage of the development. Earliest stage of the development. The nascent space industry. Pitfalls. Mr. Pawar himself is conscious of the pitfalls. Pitfall का meaning क्या है? Yes, anyone? Try to find out. Pitfall. Pitfalls. Yes, anyone? Yes, Prathamesh, pitfalls.
A hidden difficulty, sir.
Difficulty, a hidden or unsuspected danger. The party में कुछ लोग रहते हैं ना. Mr. Pawar himself is conscious of the pitfalls. Okay, hidden or unsuspected danger. Pitfalls, loopholes, like loopholes, difficulty. So several of these parties are adversaries, one's opponent in the contest. Adversaries, okay, one's opponent in the contest or conflict. Adversaries of one another in the state. And this, robust. All these factors make the emergence of a robust, okay, strong, robust opposition to the BJP. Onerous means, try to find out onerous meaning. Onerous. यस, ऑनरस का मीनिंग क्या है? यस, एनीवन? ऑनरस, ऑनरस का मीनिंग एनीवन? Yes, Prathamesh, can you find out the meaning
Yes,
of
it
onerous?
is difficult.
Difficult, difficulty involving great deal of effort. Onerous means here, as per this sentence, a great deal of effort. All these factors makes the emergence of a robust opposition to the BJP onerous. Means it involves a great deal of effort or a task or responsibility. So politics is often, okay, onerous means a responsibility that involves a great deal of effort, trouble, or difficulty. Okay, the difficulty, trouble, or a great deal of effort, trouble, difficult. So that is the meaning. And the recent assembly election outcomes were a reminder that parties staunchly. So how to spell this one? Staunchly. Staunchly. What is the meaning? A very loyal and committed manner. Staunchly. A very loyal. Staunchly. A very loyal. Parties strongly opposed to the BJP remain popular in the state. Okay, strongly means loyal. Okay, a very loyal and committed manner. Then disparate, essentially different in kind and not able to compare. Not able to be compared. Disparate. Disparate means essentially different. Disparate. Disparate means different. See, we found around around 13 to 14 words here. So likewise, because these are the some of the words that we don't know the meaning, exact meaning, like in our mother tongue, in Marathi, Hindi. Okay. So likewise, try to build a habit to read the newspaper. And this verbal ability, it is not a one day activity. Okay. As you know, in the placement, verbal section, it is very important. One of the one section that it is very important in all the company, the verbal ability. So try to like go through any newspaper and identify some of the words, at least daily 10 to 15 words, 10 to 15 words, so that you will find the meaning of those words. Okay, so try to find the meaning, correct meaning in the Google. You just Google it. Okay, and because there are some words are there like strongly. Okay, so we find like we difficult to pronounce some of the words. And see, because all these are very important, like in your placement, like they consider your all your aptitude section, your logical reasoning, your verbal ability, and your programming skills. So that's why they consider all. Means you should not only in good in aptitude or in logical reasoning, and if you are lacking in the verbal, then it will be like lost to you, because you are getting an opportunity. So try to as like as much as possible, try to go through at least as in like it's still 1 month time is there. So try to go through at least 20 to 30 words daily. So in 1 month, around 600 you will get 600 words. And to find the meaning of one word, we will get the synonym. Okay, at least 4 to 5 words. So try to build a habit to read the newspaper. Okay, so you will get Now in your mobile only you can get all these like some of the articles and all. So try to find the meaning of the difficult words, their synonym, because it will helpful to build your soft skills also. And nowadays, as you know, like along with your technical skills, the soft skill is also very important to express your like in the your presentation skills and in okay, like all of you are having a like goal to enter into the industry. Okay, so try to build an habit and focus on this verbal section, as most of you find difficult here. Okay, because there are various topics are there, you go through all those topics. Okay, not only this synonyms and antonyms, you go to other topics also, and these are the topics like that is we can call it generally English section. So in English section, for all the competitive exam, even in the gate exam, gate exams also we have the aptitude questions, and even government, all the banking sector exam also, banking sector exam also we have the same syllabus. For all competitive exam the syllabus will be the same. So try to like go through some previous year questions and try to practice and try to speak in the session, because as I already told, last year as 50% students are not selected in the final round, that is in the personal round, after personal round or in the technical round, because they are not able to speak. See, in such sessions, because it is for the learning purpose, so try to speak and try to even if you don't know answer, try to find it, so that it is also, it is a learning. So just try to mention how many words you know as today's words. Try to mention in the chat, as we discussed around 15 to 20 words. Try to mention at least 1 or 2 words, whichever the word meaning and all. Try to mention in the chat. Yes, all of you. What are the words we discussed? Yes. Try to mention in the chat box what are the different words we gone through. As few already there in the farcical, disparate, robust, pitfall, nascent, vacillating, strongly, yes, realignment and all. Okay. Speculation, entrench, exploratory. Okay. Okay. So don't think that it is like the class is it was means